Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two, not really necessary to color mapping, but if you didn't watch the color mapping video, and I noticed, and maybe I accidentally moved this, but these are cutting boards that you're going to engrave on. So you've got a straight edge. I would suggest bringing them all to the top of your boards, like this one is. Now, also with that said, whenever you're going to put 6 pieces of cutting boards in your laser, I would do a test. If you will select your text, hold down your shift key and double click. Of course, yours is not set on hairlines, but if you will turn this into a hairline and do this to every one of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to do a change to make this a hairline. I'm going to double click on that with nothing selected. I'm going to go to graphic. I'm going to go to hairline, and I'll leave it black. That way, when you click on that, hold down your shift, double click, hold down your shift, double click on the rectangle, hold down the shift, double click with the rectangle. And now what you've got, you're going to have 6 boxes, and you can run a test after you have your boards in there and just select. And once again, I don't have a laser hooked up to this, but then once you have these set, you could select all these and go to selected and have it run a vector with your door open, and it'll run with the door open, the laser won't fire. It will run a box around there, so you'll be able to see that you're not off. Because if you engrave one of these cutting boards and it's a little bit off, you put it in there wrong, you didn't butt it up against the rulers. So that's just a little bit of suggestion. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.